Hello and welcome. My name's Sumner Hobart. I'm an online entrepreneur traveling the world with my wife, and I've set out on a mission to find the most effective, efficient, and realistic ways of achieving even the boldest of goals, which I cover here in this course. By the end of this course, you will have all of the tools, skills, resources, and templates that you need to realistically achieve any goal that you set out to accomplish faster and more enjoyably than ever before. You will learn 5 deadly goal-setting myths and how to avoid them. Not only how to plan your goals, but how to choose your goals by reverse engineering them from your dream life. An exact step-by-step process and all the templates that you need to plan and achieve any goal that you set out to accomplish. Simple tips to increase your goal-setting success by up to 95% or more. How to trick your mind into doing what you want it to do versus what it wants to do, how to make your goal-setting journey more enjoyable, and how to use the law of attraction to gain goal-setting power, and so much more. If you truly want to achieve the life of your dreams and become a goal-setting machine, then enroll today. If this is not the greatest goal-setting course you have ever taken, Udemy will refund your entire amount. You have nothing to lose and so much to gain, and I look forward to seeing you inside.